Hello, Mrs. Bennett here, continuing the examples of characteristics for rational functions. This video is going to focus on the characteristic of a y-intercept, which some rational equations have and some do not. So here's what we are going to do. In a y-intercept, it's a little bit different than an x-intercept in that the rational function will cross the y-axis. So we know that the x value should be 0. So what we are going to do is we are going to take our rational function, the original version. We don't need simplified version for this one. And we can substitute in x equals 0. So y equals 0 squared plus 0 minus 2 over, and then we're going to substitute 0 in here. 0 squared minus 0 minus 6. And we are going to simplify. 0 plus 0 minus 2 is negative 2. 0 minus 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So we get 1/3. So our y-intercept is at 0, 1/3. Okay, in our next example, on the back, we are going to do the same thing. So we are going to use the unsimplified version of our function to find our y-intercept. So y equals 2 parentheses 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 24 all over 4 times 0 squared minus 36. 0 plus 0 minus 24 is negative 24. 0 minus 36 is negative 36. And we are going to simplify negative 24 over negative 36, which gives us 2/3. So our y-intercept is at 0, 2/3. And that's it.